Good morning, students. I hope you're doing well and are taking care of yourself as well. Also, I hope you're studying at your respective places. So, let's begin the day. Today, we are going to study diary entry, as you can see from the topic. So, diary entry writing is pretty easy. It's like a best friend where you're sharing your innermost secrets. It's a place where you can be honest with your thoughts and feelings and reflect on them. A diary entry can be written in any way that you choose because there are no concrete rules in that. You can write freely and liberally there in a very informal language. Fine. And students, I would suggest you to write one thing that you are thankful and grateful for in that entire day. Because the more positive you will send to the universe now, you will get more positive back from the universe. So think positive, send positive, and get back positive things. Okay? So now students, let's come back to what is diary entry and how it's written. So let's define what is diary entry. A diary entry is a section of writing that has been organized by a date. The entries within your diary are how you organized your thoughts, feelings, opinions, whatever you are pouring in it. They break up your diary into smaller pieces and you have to think of them like a chapter of a book. They can be as short as long as you want. Now, coming to writing a good and effective diary, things you need to keep in mind. Day, date, and time of the entry, students, you have to write a suitable descriptive heading, which is like the proper introduction you have to give. After writing the introduction, you have to write the body of the diary. That is the contents you have to add in that diary. So be very particular about it. After that, you have to make sure that whatever diary you write, you have to write that in first person and not in second or third. That is, I went to the port, not he went to the city. Then a diary doesn't need to be formal. As told you previously, that it has to be in an informal style. Then signature at the end. It's your choice basically. But from the exam point of view, you have to make your diary experiential. That is, write what you have really been a part of situation set in the question and what you are writing in your own experience, your own point of view and your own feelings. You have to make it realistic. Fine. Now let's come to the format of the diary entry. So this is how you write a diary entry: day, date, and in the same line on the right hand side you have to write the time, then you have to leave a line, then you have to write dear diary, leave a line and start your contents with 3 paragraphs. Okay, introduction, body and conclusion, and in the end signature and writing dear diary is basically optional. You want to write okay, you don't want to write okay, your marks won't be deducted for that. Then students, in the conclusion you have to make sure that you write your learning experience of the day. Fine. Now further, I'll give you certain tips for writing diary. So you have to be very honest, you have to write it in detailed, spell check is to be there, dates, and you have to write short stories. Now, explaining these things, when you're talking about honesty, you have to give the full story of your opinion, thoughts, and fears. You don't have to hold yourself back. Talking about the details, you have to think it like a story you're writing in a book, and you don't have to miss on details while writing. Okay, what happened, at what time happened, who all were involved, and what were the little incident. Fine. Then you have to the spell check, because while you are writing you have to make sure that what you have written, the grammar is correct, the punctuation is correct, and the spellings are correct, because when it's being read by somebody it should not feel like you've written it like very casually and disinterested. Now about dates, dating your entry is rather important. It will help you in many ways when you're looking back on your diary, from specific dates of when you did things to revisiting your age of when you hit certain milestones. So that is why dates are important. And coming to the last point, students, writing short stories, which means not exaggerating things. Short means writing short and crisp, whatever incident you're going to mention in the diary. Fine. So that's all for the diary entry, students. I hope you've understood the format. One more thing, the diary has to be written in a box, the way I have represented in the figure. Okay, box can be of any shape, like straight, curved, anything. You can decorate it as well. Okay, that's all for diary entry. I hope you've understood. In case of any query, feel free to ask. Thank you.